our beloved Prophet Muhammad's favorite food items, and their benefits. Here is a list of foods near and dear to the Prophet. Meat. Prophet Muhammad used to enjoy eating meat whenever it was available. He especially loved to eat the lamb shoulder. Honey. It is a highly nutritious food. It has been considered as medicine of medicines, food of foods, and drink of drinks. It is a natural cure for most types of illness. The Prophet used to drink a glass of water mixed with honey every single morning. Honey is deemed as a cure for all ailments. Barley. Barley was the main food item in the diet of our messenger. The Prophet Muhammad mostly consumed barley bread with either meat, soup, pumpkin, vinegar, olive oil, and dates. It has many health benefits and is slow to digest, so it keeps us fuller longer. Two of the greatest cures of heart disease. Talbina. When talking about barley, it is hard not to mention talbina, a porridge made of powdered barley, honey, and milk. It was recommended by the Prophet to his companions when suffering illness or weakness of any kind. Dates. The fruits of a date palm tree are called date. Dates are rich in vitamins and minerals and are free from cholesterol and contain very low fat. Our beloved Prophet used to plant date trees himself. Prophet Muhammad himself would often eat dates with cucumbers, as they're both the opposite of each other in terms of the effect they have on the body. So this helps avoid any harmful effects while strengthening the body. Prophet Muhammad said, people in a house without dates are in a state of hunger. Muslim. Nabis. The Messenger of Allah often consumed a drink called nabis, prepared from soaked raisins or dates. Nabis should be consumed within 12 hours of soaking to prevent fermentation. Olives. Olives are also one of the foods of Jannah. Olives have been mentioned in the Quran 7 times. Olives are packed with nutrients that include copper, calcium, and sodium. Allah has sworn by olives in the Quran. The juice of olives, known as olive oil, is equally beneficial. It is good for skin and hair. FIQs. Figs, also known as the seedless fruit, are the fruit from Jannah. It was greatly favored by the Prophet. It is low in calories and good for bones. Figs are also known to cleanse the kidneys and bladder. Figs are also a rich source of calcium, iron, magnesium, and potassium, and high in fiber. Water. The word water appears 63 times in the Quran. The best kind of water is Zamzam. Zamzam. The Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, said, the best water on the surface of the earth is Zamzam, son and method of drinking water. Anas, may Allah be pleased with him, says that the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, would sip water in 3 breaths and say, this method quenches thirst better and is more palatable and wholesome. Muslim. Doctors and nutritionists have started to explain the benefits of all these foods that were mentioned in the Quran and Hadith 1400 years ago. Thanks for watching.